Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to sign into your Teams account from Microsoft Office using the desktop application. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365. This can be for work, school, or business. We also need to have access to the desktop application. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to Mac Office, click on Microsoft Teams. You need to be signed into the account. However, for this tutorial, we are signing into the account. So let's click on use another account or sign up if we haven't already. Let's now type in the account for admin, which is admin at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Enter. And now it will prompt you to type in your password. I have already saved this in memory from the last copy. Use Command V to paste and now sign in. And there we go. So we have now officially signed into Teams. Let's now quit Microsoft Teams. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.